month ago, we set out for Italy. And we went into it with no idea how much it would get to us. It felt instantly familiar. As if memory arrived before we did, and someone had introduced us to that world already.
I do not know where you are, or by what means you can hear me, but I know you are listening.
We should have felt like strangers here. Yet, if anything, it felt familiar.
Who are we, who have been so blessed to share our stories like this? To speak across centuries.
We knew these streets from before. We recognized its buildings. We belong to its history. It almost felt like home. And we realized that to us, in some way, it was.